Ayos na. Okay, we're going to start. Wow, daming guest ni Eliza. Okay, hi! Ayan, dito na agad sila. Okay, ulit. Gusto ko malakas. Hello? Ano po yun? Okay, a jolly afternoon to each and everyone. Today we will celebrate the 7th birthday of Eliza here at Jollibee Mango. Siyempre, welcome po sa ating lahat. Palakpakan naman po natin ang bawat isa. Okay, siyempre, Siyempre, before we start, ayan, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our birthday celebrant, si Eliza. Dito ka sa gitna natin, nandiyan ka sa gilid. Okay? Ayan. Siyempre, tawagin natin si Mommy and Daddy and si Kuya para samahan si Ate Eliza dito sa unahan. Okay? And siyempre, we need to pray. Kaya
For this lovely day, we offer you our heartfelt thanks and praise you. Thank you, all your family and friends who came today. Thank you because you gave Eliza Nicole another blessed year. Amen.
Okay, syempre, wala mo nang po.